So number 2 on the QR code review wants us to write a function in this form, standard or vertex form, that goes through this point, goes through this point and has a vertex at this point here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is label all the information that you have. So if my vertex is -3, -8, that means that this is the h and this is the k in this formula down here. The h and the k are represented right there, -3 and -8. You also want to represent these as an x value and a y value. Remember, this is just a random point that the graph has to go through. So once you have all this information, you're going to plug it in and solve for a. So f of x is the same thing as the y value, so don't forget that. So our y value is -10. So -10 is equal to a. That's the thing that we don't know yet. X over here is -6. Minus h is -3. So notice how I'm putting the minus next to each other so I don't mess up the signs. I'm going to square that. And then I'm going to add on k. K is a -8, so plus a -8 is the same thing as -8. All right, now we're just going to simplify. So -10 is equal to a. That's the thing we're looking for. All right, so this is going to be -6 plus 3, so that's just a -3 squared and then a -8. So -10 is equal to -3 squared is a +9, so this is going to be 9a minus 8. Again, I want to solve for a here because I want to write this equation. That a was the one thing I didn't know. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So it looks like -2 is equal to 9a. Divide by 9 on both sides. And it looks like a is equal to -2/9. And then once you know the value of a, you just rewrite your equation with all the information plugged in. So our answer looks like f of x is equal to the a value, which is -2/9. And then I'm going to have x minus h. So that's going to be x plus 3 squared, and then -8 is the k value. And that is how you write the equation for number 2.